How are you doing? My name is Jeffdenis, your co-teacher. In this video today, I'm going to conjugate for you the verb to have in three tenses. And just watch this video at the Let's go for the simple present. Simple present of the verb to have. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, they have. Future. I will have, you will have, he will have, she will have, it will have, we will have, you will have, they will have. Okay, simple past. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, they had. I think that you understand them. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment below one of my videos. Thanks for watching my videos.